Well, Sky News has gained rare access to a Scottish lab examining the Omicron variant. Scientists in the facility in Glasgow are on the front line of the race to learn more about the strain and how existing vaccines will perform against it.
This box contains a precious but dangerous cargo.
This is the Omicron sample. Thank you.
Scientists here believe it's the first live sample of the Omicron variant they've been able to obtain. Their first chance to confirm in the lab whether the new variant is as worrying as it currently looks to the world outside.
We don't know yet what the collection or the constellation of changes that we're seeing in this new variant mean, but we will be able to test that now by taking it into the laboratory.
This high-level containment lab at the Centre for Virus Research in Glasgow is one of the few in the UK equipped to handle pathogens like this. It's only once it's inside that the sample can be carefully unpacked. They've been preparing for this moment since news of Omicron first emerged.
We can start straight away to put the virus in culture in order to plan further experiments later, because that's very important. And this is the kind of answer we need, and we need scientific data before claiming anything about how this variant will behave.
So this is an important moment. Only getting their hands on a live sample for the virus will allow these scientists to start addressing those urgent questions about the Omicron variant. Can it evade our vaccines? Will it be more infectious than previous variants? Does it cause more severe disease?
This lab, like others around the world, has become expert at infecting human cells with different variants of COVID-19 to assess their unique dangers.
So on the right we have cells that are uninfected and healthy, and on the left we have cells that we've infected with SARS-CoV-2.
But with reports coming from South Africa of possible infections of Omicron in people previously infected with other COVID strains, the focus has to be on whether it can avoid our antibodies.
The most pressing is to be able to understand what is the level, the degree that this Omicron can escape the immunity elicited by vaccines. So you can compare, for example, Delta versus Omicron and see how the antibodies present in the vaccinated individual can neutralize the virus.
However, lab tests can only tell us so much. The view among these researchers is that in the weeks it'll take them to get results, it's best to prepare for the worst while hoping for the best.